Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Dahua software. Okay, this software name is Smart PSS. This is for using Dahua NVR configuration and live view playback. Actually this is a discontinued software. Anyway, we can use this one. Okay, no issue. Just to download the software from here. See, there is a message, this is not continued, so we can download Smart PSS Lite. Okay, this is the name of the software. Just click there to download Windows. This software including access control, intercom, the whole brand. We can configure this one with this one. Okay, door phone also. So it will download now. Okay, downloading completed. Just double click the zip file. Okay, and we can get the Excel file from there. Just close that window and click that one, double click that one. This is an installation window. Just accept and okay, next. Now our software will be starting. Wait for the installation. Okay, this software for using Dahua NVR, DVR, we can use this one. Okay, okay, now our software installation is completed. Okay, successful. Just to finish and just click run Smart PSS slides. Okay, so it will be automatically running the program. Okay, now it's the window is open. See, this is the all functions: video monitoring, access control, attendance, and video intercom. You can select one by one here, and also you can select from down to all one time. So okay, all together. Just press OK. This is from the accessing the resolution. Just click OK. Then this is a software license agreement. We have to agree that this is the productive policy, and also agree this one also. This is a window defender asking or allow the network access. Okay, we have to access the network, no issue. After agree the policy, there is a one window. We can use new password, use password. This is our password for using this is software. Okay, I just click auto login. Then okay, this is a good question for resetting the password if we forget it. I just use ABC like that. This is simple. Okay, now it's our software is running. Yeah, this is our software, but I am not connecting any devices here. Okay, so no issue. You can just check the software with the devices. Okay, this software showing this monitoring, access control, attendance, video intercom. So like that. So we have to go monitor first. CCTV live. See, this is the art device. This is auto search. This one. This is IP range. We have to put the IP range somewhere. Maybe we have lot of devices. Okay, you can put the IP range here. 192.168.1.01. 122.55. No need to 01, just to put the one is better. This is a manual. We have to add one device name, IP address, username, and password of the device. Okay, we have two types of possible to add a device. one for IP address, another one the serial number of the device. Okay, port default is keep it like this 37777. Okay. Okay, and next there is one option, check the live view. This is the window. We have to change this one 16, 24, 8 like that. It is in the bottom. We have to find. This is a ratio of the screen. Okay, we have to change each ratio of the cameras. Full screen ratio like that. We have to change. No issue. This is a split TV. We have to custom this view there, and also we have to change anything. Find any suitable one we can change here. This is a group. I create one group here and save and new. Just save it and cancel. Okay. I just make it group like this. This is a playback. This software using only for the playback and live view. Okay, this is a very good software for using the Dahua and devices. Okay, this is a very free software. No need to any payment for this this software. This is totally free. If you want to see the live monitoring and the playback, you can use this one. And this is access control system. See, this is access control system. You have to configure everything here. You can create it, user. You have to add person, configuration, everything we can do with this software. I'm going to add one person like that. I did a demonstration for how to add the person. Okay. Just you need to add card. You have to give a password. You have to fingerprint. Everything we can use from here. Just use fingerprint and select machine, because I am not adding any devices here. No, don't have any devices. So this is the card reader. Just select the card reader. Okay. And devices, we have to select devices, then enroll the card. Same like Hikvision. IVMS 4200, same. This is also access control configuration. We can configure access control here also. Holiday, timetable, we can create timetable, schedule, areas, everything. This is a new area, we can create new area. This is the group we have already created from there. We can integrate it or CCTV with the access control from here also. This is all same like the normal access control system. Okay. This is a time attendance. See, this is a report, attendance, person monitoring. As this is intercom. This is IP intercom for that one. Okay. We can create, you can add intercom here, we can add devices here, we can create an organization device group, everything we can get from here. Okay, we can configure intercom also. So this is a video. Okay friends, please like and share my video. If you find useful this video, please like and subscribe my channel for new software, for new devices and new brands. Okay, thank you for watching my video.